Hello everyone, good day. Today I'm going to show how you can do map citation for your Google business profile. In the last video I have shown how you can create an effective Google business profile, and I'm going to show the map citation today. Before starting, I want to tell in short what map citation is. Map citation is basically doing off-page SEO for your Google business profile. When you search your business on the Google map, let's search my one, which I have created recently. Sorry, this not this one, should be Google map, which I have created recently, and this is my Google business profile. Okay, and I'm going to search my Google business profile on Google map, and here it is. Okay, this is the pin which Google has given for my this specific business. Now I want to create similar pins, several pins surrounding this center point or center pin, and that is called the map citation. Creating each point with a specific keyword, so that when a searcher is going to search or searching with a specific keyword, Google is going to suggest my profile to that searcher. Okay, in the title you can see a number after the @ this is the longitude and latitude. That means the geographical location of my Google business profile. I'm going to use this to find out separate or different points surrounding this like center point, and I want to create circle, something like that. You can see here is the center point, and there are so many points surrounding this, and these are the keywords. So as I said, if anyone search with this keyword, Google is going to show my profile as a suggestion. For that I am going circle generator. Okay, this is circle generator, and I am going to put this center point, longitude and latitude, in the center, and here is the radius value, the distance you want to put, and there is the unit. If you want to create so many points like 50,000, 85,000 or something like that, you can create a very short length, a circle with a very short length or a very long length. It's up to you, and I'm going to create circle of 1500 meters. Okay, and if you create on generate, then that circle generator has given me the longitude and latitude of 1500 meter, and these are the longitude and latitude of each point. And I must say there is 364 points you can get for only this number with this with the one circle. Like you can put the 364 points on each circle. Okay, at each distance circle, not more than that. So if you want to put 50,000 or 85,000 points, something like that, you have to calculate that how many circle you have to create, and at which distance you have to create those. Okay, so I'm going to download this KML file, and this is the KML file. Now I'm going to Google My Map. I'm going to Google My Map, and this is a Google My Map. You can see I have already created 5 map here, and on each map you can create only 10 circle, not more than that, but you can create as many map as you want. So I'm going to create a new map, click on create, and then it will bring me to this. Okay, now I am going to import the KML file I have downloaded from the circle generator, and that is this one, and it's supposed to give me a circle on which I can create the pin. Here the Google has given, or this Google My Map has given a circle, and I can zoom it or zoom out by only just by scrolling the mouse. And now click on the pin and click on the circle, and I have created pin. Okay, I want to give one more information here, that these are my keyword and these are my description which I have created earlier before starting my task. So you have to do the same. So I'm going to select one keyword and putting these on here, and also I'm going to copy the description and putting it here. In the description you have to write an SEO optimized description for your services or your business profile, and you can also add your website, and you can have to add your phone number so that people can search you and find you easily. Okay, this is the thing. And you can also add images with clicking on image, add image or video, and I'm not going to add that now, so I'm going to click the save, and you can already see that a point is already has been created for this circle, on this circle, for this point, for specific this keyword. Okay, so I have to create the circle for each point, right? With each point, so it is not possible that I'm going to click each point or plus add each point and going to copy and paste each keyword and description. It is time consuming and boring, so I'm going to create a shortcut for that. I'm not going to do each one separately. So what I am going to do, I am going to create a shortcut for that. So I'm going to export this data like KML, and I'm not going to use it online, so I'm export as KMZ format, and this is the KML worksheet for this circle. Okay, for this circle I'm going to put all the rest keyword points here. For doing that, I am going to convert csv.com, and as this is the KML file, so I'm going to convert KML to CSV. For that, I'm clicking convert KML to CSV. So choose file, and I'm going to select the KML workbench. Now I'm going to convert this to CSV file, and now I'm going to download the result. Okay, this is the KML workbench in Excel sheet. Let's open it, and I can find that here is the keyword I have placed on the map on that specific point. There is the description, and here is the longitude and latitude. Now I need to put all the longitude and latitude of this circle generator to that Excel sheet, and for this I'm going to copy this longitude and latitude. Don't need to bother about below, these are the same. So I'm going to paste it here, and you can see all the data is one row, but I need all this in separate way. For this I'm going to select this one, go to data and text to column. Okay, not this, I have to select the box actually. So here click on delimited, and here you can see that here is the comma which I do not need anymore, and here is the space which I also don't need anymore. So I am clicking next, and I am eliminating the comma and the space, and then next. So this, click on finish, and this is longitude and latitude in each column, but I need this way, in horizontal way, in vertical way, like longitude in one column and latitude in another column. For that, what I'm going to do is going to copy, Ctrl C, and going to paste in like spatial, paste spatial, and paste transpose. So these are like in longitude and latitude in one column. So I don't need this row anymore, so I'm going to delete that one. Now I need to place longitude in one column and latitude in another column. For doing that, I am writing here long and here latitude, and then I'm going to place a formula like A1 and A2, A3 and A4. Why I'm putting this? Because you can see in column A row 1 this is longitude, and column A row 2 this is latitude. So I am writing this way. Now I am selecting all this and click on double click, so that it's going to fill up or going to place this formula at the last row of the existing data, right? Okay, now I need to place the value here. For doing this, I'm going to press Ctrl F and I'm going to press replace and writing A is equal to A. A is equal to A. Then replace all. That means A is equal to A means that A1 in column A. In row 1 the value will be placed here. Let's see if it's work or not. Give it some moment, and here it goes. So the number is placed here. So then close it. Now I need to let's show one thing, like I am deleting this one, so the data is deleted here because it is placed as per formula, but I am not going to place this formula here because when I'm going to upload this Excel sheet to the Google My Map, it's not going to read that formula. So I need this as a value. So I'm going to select all the data again, only the longitude and latitude data, and only the longitude and latitude data up to, as I said, there will be 364 or 65 points or longitude or latitude here. So it's taking some time. Almost there. I am selecting all the longitude and latitude. I mean latitude and longitude of for each points to place on the Google circle. So here it is. I am Control C and copying it and take another new sheet, and I'm going to paste here like a smart special paste and going to place value and okay. So this is the value. So this is not as per formula, and you may ask that why I don't put this value directly to this sheet. It's not going to work and will create some error. So I have to create as per separate value first, then I have to put it on the on that sheet. Okay, it didn't work that way because I put that way already, but it didn't work. If you can find any way to put directly on the main sheet, please let me know in the comment box so that I can learn a new thing, or I can apply when I'm going to do that in my next project. Okay, so I'm going to control shit, I made a mistake, not actually doing that. I just only want to, I can just only press Ctrl A and then Ctrl C and then Ctrl V here. So here the longitude and latitude. Now I'm going to place all the keyword here. Again I am pressing Ctrl A to select all, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and now drag down to top and bottom and click on double click on the plus point so that it will cover to the bottom of the longitude and latitude and for all points, and click on the description, double click on the description, so it will cover the whole description as well. So make it save. Now go back to the Google My Map, and now we are going to add a layer and import the Excel data. Like this is my KML workbench. Select it and here click on name and style URL, then click on continue and click on continue, then finish. If everything's okay, we are going to get all the points for each keyword. Okay, now I do not need this one, so I can delete this one, delete this layer. Okay, now you can rename this layer as per your preference. like as it's my 1500 distance, so I am placing or writing, renaming this that way. And also you can give a title for your map, like I'm going to give my business profile name here. So Control C and Control V. I'm going to add the description here again. So this is the description. Oh, sorry. Control C and Control V. Then save. If you want to change this point, as I don't know if no, I deleted that. So if you want to change this point, you can change as well. Like I want to change all the items in orange, as orange is my theme color, brand theme color. So I'm putting this, and you can put your desired color here as well within this color, like I mean within this color range, not from others. Also you can put icons from here. If it's a restaurant, you can put this one, or if it's a like hospital or something, you can put this one as well, as per your wish. So this is the thing. I have made the circle here, and as I said, you can make this circle for 10 circle on each map, and multiple maps, or as much as you want, you can create a map for your Google business profile. So this is how you can create the map citation, or how can you do map citation for your Google business profile. In the next video, I'm going to show how you can write an SEO optimized description for your Google business profile, and how you can search the keywords. So till then, stay tuned. Thank you. Have a good day.